No, tarpon. Yo, what is up, guys? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you guys don't know my name's Chris, and I'm a fishaholic. We're gonna back out on the river today. I'm gonna be fishing with one of my buddies. We're just gonna go do some junk fishing. Hopefully catch some snook, tarpon, speckled trout, redfish. I mean, pretty much whatever bites. So we'll catch you guys out there. Let me steal your fish this time. Oh.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Little guy, good warm up. Oh, yeah, school it. Jack's right underneath the boat here. Yep. Oh, look at him. Look at him. No. No, tarpon. Fish. Close enough. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. No way he went. There he is. There he is. I'm pretty sure you just stole my fish, Wade.
I think so.
Actually, I think that one's bigger than the one I was trying to catch. Check this out.
Nice.
Any pliers?
Oh yeah. Chewing down off the wood.
There she goes.
Come on.
Yeah, she's fun. Dude! Good stuff! Oh, let's get pop. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh. No, set the hook. Reel, 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 reel. There you go.
Thank you.
Is that a snook? Almost looked like a redfish there for a second.
I think it might be. I think it might be a redfish.
Yeah, he hasn't come up yet.
Thanks for the advice though. I needed that.
I just saw you. I'm like, saw the bend. Let me know when he's ready. I think it is a redfish. Yep. Nice. All right, so the wait was worth the stay. It's a nice redfish. You got him? You want me to grab him for you? Oh, he spit him. That's a freaking tarpon. He got his revenge on you there.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, you get him? Yes, he did.
There we go. What's that?
I think it's a snook. We're doing the boat two-step.
Could be a redfish thing.
It kind of looks like a redfish. Jeez, dude. My word. My word, dude. I guess so. It has to, you're right, it has to be a redfish. Yep.
Net.
There he is. Thank you, sir.
Hefty one.